Creating a geofence will allow you to track when a GPS unit enters or exits a selected area. To create a geofence on the GPS tracking software using your computer, follow these steps. Log into the GPS dashboard. Select the Utility tab, then click the Geofence button. Then click on the Add New button and give the geofence a title and description. Move the map around to determine the area you want to fence. Select the type of line or shape you want to use to create the geofence and place it over the area. The tolerance field to the left will show you the size of the geofence in meters. The trash can icon below the shapes allows you to remove the fence if you want to start again. After removing the shape, click on the Save button next to the trash can before creating another fence. Click the blue Save button to complete the process. To set up notifications to alert you when a GPS unit enters or exits the geofenced area, go to the Admin tab at the top of the page and select Notifications. Then choose the geofence option on the right. Select when you want to receive a notification by selecting Zone In, Zone Out, or both. Selecting a stay time will alert you if a vehicle is staying in a specific area too long. Your geofence is now ready.